So as you can see here, all the beams and the columns have been designed, right? So for the next step, we need to design our floor slab, right? For each story, like the first story, the second story, and all the remaining story, right? We have to design the floor story. And how to do it? I mean, we have to design the floor slab. And how to do it? The first thing that you have to do, you just go on geometry. And under geometry, you have to pick floors, SB. And in this table here, we can modify the new thickness. Like if you want to modify any thickness, we just need to press on here, these three dots, and sorry, it's a little bit slow, but yeah. And from this table here, you can modify everything. You can modify the thickness, as you can see. For the color, I'm gonna pick the red color. And for the thickness dimension, I will use 0.3 meter, and it's under constant, of course. And all the parameters, the remaining parameters, will be unchanged, will be a constant, right? And the material that I'm gonna use concrete material. But if you wanna make any modification on the material, you can just press here, right? And then you can change whatever you wanna change, right? According to your project, right? But I'm gonna start on my concrete. And you can add, and then after adding, you can just close, right? You can just close. And for the model here, if you wanna change the model, as you can see, you have the deck slab, you have the slab, we have the load take down slab, we have load take down slab, but it's one way and two ways. We have the shell, so we have a lot of type, right, of slab that you can take. But I'm gonna use the deck slab, one way slab. One way means what? One way slab means that the long length. Look at this slab here. The long length here is much greater than the shorter dimension here. So yeah, so that's why we need to use one way slab, right? But if it was if the long length and the short length had the same dimension, yeah, we would have used the two-way slab, right? If it was a square. But here is different. It's a different observation, right? So we're gonna use one-way slab. And how to pick the slab? We can change. We can go on rectangular. We can go on rectangular, or you can use contour. All of them, they're the same. And then here, you can change the view. You can change the view here, and from here you can just zoom a little bit. You can zoom a little bit and pick this point here, and here, and here, and here. I need this these parts of my building to contain my staircase, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave an empty space here by pressing here, by pressing in here, by pressing in here, right? And I'm gonna close it by pressing the other corner of our frame, right? And then I'm gonna press again the same place, and I'm gonna close this table, and I'm gonna change the view. By changing the view, and if you zoom properly, you must see that our slab has been added, and you can see that we have a free space here where we can put our staircase in the next video. But we need to do the same for the remaining floors, for the remaining stories. But if you have a lot of, like, if your building contains a lot of floors, right, it might take you days and months to complete this, right? It's gonna be a waste of time. So how to do it? How to do it professionally? Just you need to change the view again. You need to change the view again, and you can right click on the mouse, all right, and press select, and just select only. Just press on the slab here, the floor slab. Just make sure just only the slab elements have been selected. Just only this slab here. And then after that, press on copy, and press on paste. And then after that, you need to change the view. Change the view here. Right? Change the level from level 1 to level 2. Press on level 2, and here press on intersection points. Right, the color gonna change to green, and you can move this. Doesn't matter, and make sure that the first point that the first point that you take is this point, and this point, and this point, and this point, and again the way that you started, the same point where yeah, this point here. And then after that, we can press apply, and then we can press OK. All right, you can press OK. And if you change the view, right, you might know that the floor has been copied to this. I mean, this floor, the slab floor here for the of the first floor, have been copied to the second floor, right? You can see. Okay, let me remove the shape line here. You can see that we have two floors, right? The first floor, the second floor, the floor slab have been created, right? And how to do this? How to do for the remaining parts? We can do the same method. You just need to change the view to plan view, and it has been copied, right? It has been copied, right? So the only thing that we can do here is just go to paste. Just press on paste again, and make sure that the level where you need to paste the floor slab is level number 3. Just press here level 3, right? Just make sure it's the level selected, right? And here you can do the same process that we do. Just extremity, just press in this extremity here, and here, and here, and here, and here, and then again where you started, right? And then press apply. Oh, deixa. I'm gonna do it again. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna copy again. I'm gonna press on intersection here. Make sure that the intersection point here is green. Press here, here, and here, and then press apply. Yeah, it has been created, and then press OK. Press OK. And do the same for the remaining part, the remaining story, the last level. Just press on it, and it has been copied already. You just need to press on paste. Don't press copy again. You can press on copy again, but you know that it has been copied, right? So you don't need to repeat the same step again and again. All right. And here for the intersection, you can just press. We can just do the same method as you are using before, like press on the extremity, and here, and close the extremity like here, and then press apply. Right, and then OK. And if you change the view, and then you zoom out, you will find out that our floor, yeah, we can find out that our floor slab has been created, right? And we have the place where we can design our staircases. And then the next video, I'm gonna show you how to design the staircases, right? And this is the whole process for the slab, but we have a different method. I can also show you the different method where we can create a closed slab. But if you wanna import the opening here, we just need to go on geometry, and from the geometry here, you can take the openings, and we can create a hole on the closed floors but this is not the topic for today. So this is the all.